Welcome back to Torque Update, where we bring you the latest in power-packed luxury rides. Today, we're diving into the 2026 BMW M5 Sedan, the plug-in hybrid titan that reshapes what a super saloon can do. Sliding into the new M5, you're welcomed by that familiar M-Series energy, intense yet refined. The hybrid setup may add some weight, but doesn't compromise the drama. The M5 remains laser-focused and exhilarating, merging brute power with executive-class comfort. BMW hasn't reinvented the wheel, just sharpened it. You still get flared arches, aggressive air vents, and quad exhausts. But the highlight is a new iconic glow kidney grille, dynamic entrance lighting, and exclusive 20 or 21M wheels. Customizable carbon fiber accents add sleek flair for those who go all in. Inside, the M5 is pure essential tech. A curved glass display seamlessly blends a 12.3 gauge panel and a 14.9 central screen, powered by BMW's iDrive 8.5. You'll also find heated steering wheel, metal pedals, microfiber, leather, carbon trim options, and a crystal clear Bowers & Wilkins system, standard for discerning ears. The engine lineup packs a serious punch. A 4.4L twin-turbo V8 plus a 194 horsepower electric motor, totaling 717 horsepower and 738 lb-ft. The result, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 to 3.4 seconds, with a top speed of 155 miles per hour, extendable to 190 miles per hour via M driver's package. The battery enables about 25 to 40 miles of EV-only range, making it a rare high-power plug-in luxury. Adaptive M suspension, rear-wheel steering, torque vectoring diff, and optional carbon ceramic brakes deliver precision in both corners and straights. Production kicked off mid-2024, and the sedan has been arriving in customers' hands since late 2024. Pricing aligns with last year's launch. Base MSRP $119,500 to $121,900. Touring wagon $123,900. Fully loaded builds with extras like carbon ceramic brakes and M driver's package can reach mid-$130K territory. The 2026 BMW M5 Sedan isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. A hybrid powerhouse that blends brutish speed with executive elegance. It continues to outperform rivals like the RS7 and Panamera Turbo E Hybrid while redefining what a plug-in super sedan can be. If the 2026 M5 sends chills down your spine, hit that like, ring the bell, and subscribe to Torque Update. We've got more behind-the-wheel impressions and head-to-head showdowns on the way. See you next ride.